Insight Generator is one of the modules that compose the Kit for SME platform. It has been designed to analyze the historical data generated on the shop floor to find correlations between activities and adjustments in the production line, as well as identify relevant parameters and actions that most impact on the performance of the defined KPI in the shop floor. Most influenced interventions for improve the KPI. Once the module have been selected from the marketplace, it is deployed into the platform with the corresponding configuration file where is contained the relevant information of the process to be analyzed. To trigger the analyses is necessary to send the start entity from an external source, for example a dashboard. Once the entity is received, the data is pulled from the external historical database. After the data is loaded, the analyses of data starts. When the module ends the analyses, the smart recommendations and the most impact parameters are sent to the external source. As a use case to test and validate the performance of the Insight Generator, the manufacturing process of parts of an SME will be analyzed. The first step to start the process is to send the initialization entity. The initialization entity is sent through the Orion Context Broker, located in the Kit for SME platform, who deliver it to Insight Generator. Once Insight Generator receives the entity, pull the data from the historical database and start the analyses. Finally, when the analyses finish, the most impact parameters and the optimal parameterization are sent to the external source. Using these smart recommendations, the final decision-making and application rely on technologists and/or plant managers in manufacturing SMEs, having a powerful tool for improving efficiency using historical datasets.